Easily create whiteboard doodle videos in minutes. Doodly is the first and only doodle video creation software to allow anyone, regardless of technical or design skills, to create. No longer will you be forced to pay outrageous fees, and wait weeks to months for professional designers and videographers to create hand-sketched, doodle videos for you. You'll be able to create your own professional doodle sketch videos with little to no design or technical skills. And not only that, but you'll be able to create your videos in minutes, not weeks. And the end result can be even better than what the professionals deliver. Can be used for sales and/or social media videos, special occasions, or just for the fun of drawing. The only limit is your imagination. Create unlimited whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, and even glassboard doodle videos. Just select a doodle image. Click and drag it to the canvas, and Doodly will automatically draw the image for you. And that's it. It couldn't be any easier. Large selection of male and female hand types in various ethnicities. You'll be able to choose between tens of different male or female hands, as well as various colors, sizes, and ethnicities to give your doodle video the perfect personalized touch. Record your own custom voiceover audio directly within Doodly, and easily sync it to your doodle sketch with the click of a button. We make the process of adding your voice to your video super simple. Just click the record button, start talking, and Doodly will automatically add your voice to your video. And, of course, if you'd rather upload a professional voiceover, or an audio exported from another program, you can easily do that as well. Export your doodle sketch videos in various MP4 file sizes from web ready, all the way to full 1080p HD. After you've created your custom doodle video in a few minutes, you'll be able to export your video in various resolutions, 480p, 1080p, and even custom file sizes, 24 to 60 fps, and quality, low maximum. YouTube marketers. The biggest ranking factors on YouTube are engagement signals such as likes, shares, and time that a user watches a video. Doodle sketch videos are proven to be up to 20x more engaging than a standard video. So by simply adding a short doodle intro, you can expect to see an increase in user engagement and YouTube ranking. Doodle videos are also the perfect choice for explaining and selling e-commerce products on your website, or on Amazon. Here are some videos created by fellow doodliers, with zero tech or design skills. Video 1, Whiteboard Children Are a Gift. Doodly was created by marketers, for marketers. Doodly was designed over the course of 2 full years to be incredibly intuitive and easy to use. It's the perfect fit for people like myself who have little to no design or technical skills. While we do have lots of tutorial training videos, an active and responsive customer support team, as well as a private Facebook group full of happy doodliers willing and able to help with any questions you might have. You actually don't need any of it to create your first doodle video within minutes. How much does Doodly cost? At this point, you're probably asking yourself, how much does Doodly cost? And with all of the features and functionality that comes with Doodly, it's not surprising that the regular price of Doodly is $468 per year, which is actually a bargain considering everything it does and the money that it can save you. Instead of paying the regular $468 per year price to use Doodly, if you order today from this special page, you can get Doodly for the low price of just $67. And not only that, but it's just a one-time price, not a yearly price. You won't pay $67 per year. You'll pay $67 one time, and one time only, and you'll get full access to Doodly, without any restrictions at all. Take another 10% off. Enter your email address below and we'll send you a coupon code to take another 10% off of the already massively discounted, one-time price. Here's your special 10% off Doodly coupon code. 10 off Doodly.